Meru School ni Umbani tabu nene kire mpumi cha mwaka muthiru cha KCSE aritwa 69 ni bagwete A igana rimwe 36 bagwata A- na bo igana rimwe 53 bagwata B+ na raskuru iri na mean score ya 9.97 konge na kuskuru ya ndaka ya Kanyakine iri na mean score ya 6.5 mwaka wa 2024 kinyanyume ya kurumirwa ni mateta jagwa timbaru bakithomo nturene ubakimeneria kwena magwa kithomo mutugikare nombita kwithirwa akiriungania na skuru iji gatumenyithia nkuruke
nyuma ya mpumi cha kigero kia KCSE kia mwaka muthiru kurekerwa na Arua imwe cha maskuru aja Meru ni bonanite ukungwira mpumi chiao na aja ni skuru ya ndaka ya Meru barabari na minisko ya kenda gaturumo kenda mugwanja na kiaria mwarimu munene ugite kiri aritwa 545 ni banana kebata kinyangirendi ya guwita university.
Out of these 545, only 8 who will not be going to the university, but definitely they can join the tertiary colleges because the last grade that we had was C-. If we were to compare with last year, we've done a big or great improvement because we have improved from a mean of 9.3 to 9.9, which is a positive deviation of 0.662.
Kire skuru ya ndaka ya Kanyakine bedra bakiongera minisko yao kumakirithano gaturumo ijiri munka bakinyithandatu gaturumo mugwanja Kanyakine ikionania gukira kairi arekirikano mwaka muthiru aturi ni bandamanite muno ni unto bwa skuru eje gwita na mbere kwene kampuni chiao indi thaiji bari na gya gukenera ni unto ni baikitie ndaka nkurukie kana rimwe university.
We have received good results, a major improvement, taking quite a number of boys to the university, over 100 to the university, and we want to thank God because my board has been very supportive. Kanyakine as a team of very supportive teachers, very hardworking teachers, and very intelligent teachers. Our students are okay, very disciplined.
Noting that Principal Joe, tuena we mieri tamu ijere yake na ombeta guitashukuru au amitete 5.2 to 6.7 it's not a main achievement, and I'm happy that we have risen na speed area it is sawa, it encouraging. Now I want to say next year we even perform much better.
Kire skuru ya ria sentimerese goji bedra badina minisko ya kenda gaturumo ya mwijiri dhatu bongerete kumakirinya nya gaturumo nya kenda na bo bedra bagikiana university na gechunche kia 95 kumakirigana.
University transition, last year we took 93.681%. This year they are transitioning 94.945%. Actually, we can say 95%. We thank God for this result. He has done it for us. We are going to adopt the strategies of last year and increase more by exposing them to a lot of revision materials, by covering the syllabus very early, so that the students have time to go through areas that they find it difficult.
Ke reporter Antitosha Wero Juma rea kwa rieto ni motuge kare.